Okay, I've been mulch shopping today, and first of all, this is Evelyn of Evelyn's Creations. This is part two, and I think I put about 15 bags of mulch down. And like I said, I'm in Florida, and if you plant beautiful plants and you don't put mulch on it, it's just hard for them to get a lot of water. So you'll waste your money if you buy plants and you don't do part two and part three, which is water and then mulch and water and water and water. These plants can never get too much water. Look at this already. Look how pretty that is. Just reminds me of a nice hat. So I'll get creative, very creative. Now these I bought different colors. I bought orange, pink, and purple of these type plants. They grow really big, but right now they're in the early stages. Now these here plants here, I'm gonna use these instead of putting up a privacy fence. I'm gonna use these plants because they grow up really tall, and I'm probably gonna have them about 5 feet, and it'll actually make a fence. Like a little, like you see at the bank, something really nice that gives you therapy while you're waiting in line. I like looking at plants while I'm driving and seeing how different businesses, look at this. Look how pretty that is. Okay, I'm excited because I did this myself and I'm getting therapy and I'm making the landscape, and all the neighbors are like, what are you doing? You making us go in our yard. Look at this. Look at this. Look at God. Isn't that beautiful? That is so beautiful. This was a $8 investment. This plant cost me $8. Look at how big it is already. I said this plant is about 4 feet tall. It's already blooming, and it's already, look, I've already got my money's worth. This mulch was on sale. I just got this today earlier. It was $2.50 a bag, and this is the landscape of my office. So we're gonna be showing you the results of what a little mulching, I call mulching loving, what a little loving would do. I love this. I know you're a plant lover. Look at this. Isn't that gorgeous? This one here, you come back and you see two already blooming. $8 investment. This one is a double plant. Now this has two different colors. This one has already bloomed. It'll come back. As you see, I just pull it out, but it will come back. There are more buds coming on it. This has purple and pink flowers on it. So that's a bonus for $8 at the fairgrounds here in Orlando, Florida. So if you want to feel better, put some plants out. When my mom was sick, I would go outside her bedroom and I would plant her flowers, and she could look out her window when she wasn't feeling well, and she would just look at the plants. So I always like to have something to go back in the soil. Again, this is Evelyn of Evelyn's Creations. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you very much. And I'm off to work now. I feel better.